In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Adobe PDF Snapshot Tool using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed to grab just a portion of a PDF like a chart, an image, or a neatly formatted paragraph without exporting the whole page, the Snapshot Tool is the fastest way to do it. It lets you copy a selected area as an image straight to your clipboard so you can paste it into another app in seconds. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC with the document on screen. You'll activate the Snapshot tool. Depending on your version, you might find it in one of two places. In some versions, click the Edit menu at the top and choose Take a Snapshot. In other versions, click the hamburger menu in the top left corner, go to Undo, Redo, and More, and select Take a Snapshot. Either path gets you to the same tool. Once the Snapshot tool is active, your cursor will change into a crosshair. That's your cue that you can define the area you want to capture. Click and hold at one corner of the content you want. Then drag to draw a box that fully covers the area. Take a moment to get the box just right. Everything inside the rectangle will be copied, and anything outside won't be included. A helpful tip here. The snapshot grabs what you see at your current zoom level. If you want a sharper image, zoom in on the page before you draw your box, so the captured result is higher resolution. When you release the mouse, Acrobat will confirm the selection has been copied to your clipboard. You'll see a dialog box letting you know it's done. Click OK. At this point, the image is ready to paste anywhere you need it. Switch to the destination application. This could be a Word document, an email, a note, a slide deck, or a messaging app and paste. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On macOS, press Command+V. You can also use the app's Edit menu or right-click and choose Paste. The selection arrives as an image, which is perfect for preserving formatting and layout. Just keep in mind that because it's an image, the text inside won't be directly editable. If you specifically need editable text, use Acrobat's text selection tools instead. But for quick, clean visual captures, Snapshot is ideal. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.